Number 30, you're going to use your calculator and put all the numbers in and let the calculator do all the work for you. So to start, we're going to hit the Stat button because we're going to put these data values in. We're going to put the week in list 1 and the pairs sold in list 2. So you hit the Stat button and we're going to edit our stats. So we hit enter when the edit thing is highlighted. And then in list 1, go ahead and put in 13579. Arrow over to list 2, put in 5, 32, 48, 58, and 65. Then when your values are in the list, you go back to the Stat button, hit Stat, only this time you want to calculate. So you arrow over to calculate, and then you arrow down until you see the LNREG. So that's the natural log function down there that's going to give you this function right here. So you hit enter on that, and then it just says, confirming X list, list 1, Y list, list 2, yes, that's great. Arrow down to calculate, hit enter, and it tells you Y equals A plus B ln X, where A is 3.95, so your equation is going to be, oops, I'm going to write the equation up in here, Y equals 3.95 plus B, which is 27.475, natural log of X. And then it says use your model to estimate how many pairs of shoes are sold after 6 weeks. So I'm just going to use my equation and punch this in the calculator. 3.95 plus 27.475 natural log of 6. When you put that in the calculator, you then get the answer of 3.95 plus 27.475 natural log of 6, about 53. So in 6 weeks you will have sold about 53 pairs of shoes. And we're done.